So the latecomer always ditches us for no reason.
What are you guys doing?
Kissing each other. This is our old lab. So where we went to America or this leather jacket? Whatever. So now all the gang is ready for playing 2K25. Come on.
Line cut. Aleta.
Okay. Sit next to daddy.
Let's go. Is it lagging?
No. See, it's smooth.
Okay.
So all the gang is here now. We are going to play the game. It's like a random vlog. You want to say something?
Enjoy the vlog. Enjoy.
And today we are going to try Texas chicken here. First time, no?
First time, yeah.
And we are hyped. And Harsh is going to sit there simply because he's a vegetarian. So anyway, he'll be our cameraman. So it's going to be a random vlog, nothing much. That's Abhi screaming. So let's go.
DJ guy. We have DJ.
So Fletcher bought his DJI GoPro action camera. What am I saying?
GoPro action camera.
So we are going to shoot in this. My man in Lacosta. Another one. And I am in US Polo and he is some layman.
Max Payne.
Max Payne from Timu. Max Payne from Timu.
It will not come, no?
Oh fuck. Okay, you need this. Then I don't know.
Using bad words.
Keep it here.
If it falls down, we have to.
No, that's fine. It has.
Yay!
Let's go.
Oh wait, what you can do is
Man, I'm hyped to see the footage in this.
Hey, thanks.
Genius!
Let's go.
Recording. It's okay.
you can.
So guys, we all are going to play WWE. Say something on MSI gaming laptop. So
Yes, you guys. Upgrade.
So don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I know it's going to be a random ass vlog, but you will enjoy it. We have
Daily vlog.
a daily vlog it will be. So come on, let's go.
Hey, you want to play Hell in a Cell?
Finish.
No. Instead, you have to purchase.
Our DLC is there.
DLC is there.
You have to just install it.
You have to just install the DLC.
Oh my god! Fletcher! It's over! So guys, it's over! Epic comeback matches!
No, you're winning. What a gun.
Oh, it was! Oh guys, finish the Fletcher! Yeah! Come on! Oh! Yeah!
So guys, now we finished the gameplay show.
Yeah.
And Harsh is the champion. So
Harsh
now,
the goat.
yeah,
We are both them random tracks.
so now as usual we all are hungry. So where are we going?
Texas!
Texas, baby.
Texas!
What was that like?
1 hour later.
That I will edit it.
So for Harsh we are specially buying some veg. I don't want to say anything.
Oh my god!
And we are going to finish the only one who is vegan here. So
Vegan. There is good to vegan. I don't know. That means down.
So now today we are taking Harsh BMW. So I will showcase that also.
X1 or X6?
X3.
X3.
So the couples are coming back, Abhi and Fletcher.
The gay couples.
Hey, we are in Kuwait.
We are going to it now.
Yeah, so guys. Come. See the my brother going down. See guys. Oh my god. Very nice this one. I want to buy this one. GoPro.
Yeah, should.
Now 50 real.
But this one so easy to shoot.
That's what I know.
See, and now we want to see the back shot. Yo! Nice. Where is Ashwin? He went away.
Who's that?
Hi.
Here comes.
So guys, So we are going for the BMW luxury.
So Harsh has started this X6. So it's our first time using a GoPro, which we stole from Fletcher.
Fletcher, yeah, we sold for Fletcher. See guys, the BMW. So guys, see the BMW guys. This is like Harsh inside. Go guys, BMW. So guys, huh? So guys, we are going for inside the BMW. Come guys. The light or love, Baka. Yo guys, do some action, no?
Yo! Fletcher is possessed, so that's why don't mind him. Something is happening to him today. Harsh is like energetic as well.
Energetic.
For a long time we played.
Do the light on now. Okay.
So now we are heading back to Texas Chicken and we are so much hungry, right?
Yeah.
Hey Fletcher, can you push the seat little further? Abhi is cramped here.
No, it's okay.
How to do that?
There's a side button.
Buttons, I mean.
Expert Abhi.
Yeah.
Slowly, daddy. Nice.
So guys, what do you ask?
So how was the gameplay?
Fun, dude.
Sexy.
That's it, only one word answer.
Amazing, fun.
Brilliant.
Yeah, my houseman is going to be a vlogger.
Blogger, yay! Future blogger, Oman.
Inshallah.
So that's all guys, let's see you at the restaurant.
Yeah, we'll see the go to the Texas City. Okay, bye. Watch.
F1 mode activated.
Epic mode activated.
Go from.
Ash.
Give the camera that way.
Let's go. Let's go. Hey, it's on me.
So guys, we are like today fun.
That was yeah, that was a good one.
Good.
That was true.
So how is it? How is it? He's the poor driver. Careful driving BMW. How is it?
One more time. One more time, baby. One more time. Let's go. Let's go. It's just me. Let's go. Hey, 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 Okay, beta.
Now we'll be hungry as fuck.
We are hungry as fuck. Okay, today like fun. Nice. How is it?
Hey, don't pause it, bro. One more time.
Again you're dancing. So now we have reached the destination. Texas Chicken, so
guys, we have reached Texas City.
We all are
sorry,
like-
the light.
we all are tired as shit because doing the Fletcher's eat.
Russo!
Not only once but twice.
Nice.
We are big fan of that song.
I'm not a big fan. Abhi and his couple Fletcher is a big fan.
He's a hit. We are both are like fan. Yeah!
Hey, hey.
Hey, Arun, you can.
Yeah.
So guys, we going for eating Texas.
Yeah, wait, let me park. Let him park the car.
Let me park the car. I will going outside, my brother. I also inside the car. Guys, parking the car.
Oh, it's with the.
So guys, we are going.
The phone is with you, no?
Let's
We are
go.
going
Texas chicken.
The phone is with you.
Hey.
Eat. So I am also outing. So guys, now we are in Texas. See,
Yeah, fuck.
food just smell like yummy. How's the smell?
Smell is good. The place looks good.
Yeah.
Show them the place.
See guy. Very nice, huh?
So guys, now we are at Texas Chicken and it's Fletcher's first try. Like, what do you say? How is you excited?
I'm very excited. Yeah.
He's always excited.
Yeah, guys, I also said we so much we eat at Texas.
Yeah, we're getting a nice treat from the boys.
Yeah, we are like
From the gay boys, the gay bros.
And here comes Fletcher's. No, Fletcher's house.
Harsh.
Falafel sandwich.
Falafel sandwich.
Because he's vegan and veg.
He's a pure veg guy is coming.
So any chicks want to eat some vegan? Just contact Harsh. I'll give his Instagram ID. So we are at Texas Chicken. I hope they won't kick us out for doing dumb shits.
Yeah.
So let's go inside and see.
So let's go, guys.
Let's not get kicked out.
Yes, come. We know we are people here. Let's open.
Someone is going to die.
Open sesame. Yeah. So guys, we are in Texas Chicken. Speaking to the guys, where we sit.
Remove your jacket. Remove it.
He wants to strip me, bro, this guy. It's fucking gay.
Let me order. We'll be right back.
Right back. So guys, we are ordering.
Yeah, also a little bit cheese in there, That's all.
I don't know, right?
You're cooked, no?
Pimples will, yeah, it'll pop.
Alright, we are ordering. The Shash is busy chatting with the.
No one. No one.
He's a good guy, you know.
Inshallah, sir, maybe.
I wanted to say so much, but I need to get sued. That's why I'm not saying anything.
So, yeah.
Someone.
So guys, we are going to check the place for eating food.
Yeah, we're gonna go upstairs,
Yeah.
see how things.
See guys. Right down. We're eating down. Okay guys. We are sitting downstairs. No, there is the big area. Yeah.
It's not okay.
Harsh need AC. Oh, sorry, sorry. We are sitting. So we will have to
There was a 40-year-old kid.
So guys, we are waiting for the food.
He's recording. I didn't even notice that. Yeah, so we are waiting for the food.
Yeah.
And how is
My food is not going. I'm waiting for my friends.
It's going to be like freeze, burrito, like it's okay, no worries. Hey, you don't look good in this camera, no? 17 for courtesy.
74 max.
Oh yeah, oh.
Max, you have to
You see my boy, he's like white as fuck, like.
Against the lighting.
Yeah.
Waiting.
Okay, so let the food come. 3, 2, 1.
So guys, we are going for pick the food.
So the food has come.
Oh,
So guys, the food is ready. We are hungry also. Come on. It's all about the grand food. So what are you ordering? Coca-Cola?
yeah, I got Diet Coke.
एक को डाइट कोक दे दो, एक स्प्राइट भी दो। हाँ, मेरे को एक डाल दोनों में। So you take it up while doing the drinks. So yeah, Fetcher is taking the food.
Fetcher taking the food.
With her.
4B. Oh, respect hash. Lady boy.
myself in a mood too. I don't want to get destroyed. After doing the eat, we are like so hungry.
We are like WW mode.
Thank you. Food
Hey, I'll go inside. So we need the burger. Makes sense now.
Anything is fine, bro.
I will eat.
Oh my God.
So guys, the food is ready and we are so much hungry. And here he is taking another video. So I don't want Harsh food to get again cold. So let's start eating.
Our special food.
And the texture chicken looks like so yummy.
Yummy and colorful.
There's something
Guys, here the French fries hot.
Okay, so we'll come back after eating it. So time lapse.
Sometimes.
So now we are going to start the feasting mode.
See the big
You? Harsh is
Arjun want to start, he's hungry.
He doesn't give a shit. He's like, let me finish.
Yeah, so we will take the time lapse.
Oh, you got a wrap.
Not a lot.
Go to something. Go to fly.
So guys, cheers.
So guys, now we finished the dinner. Yes, Harsh.
Alright, sir.
So we are winding up the video. So let's
Yeah.
ask the experience. How was the food?
Yeah, watch out, I will do that screen. Okay.
Oh shit.
This side, this side.
Okay, yeah, the food was lovely. The burgers was good. I liked the chicken breast, chicken strip.
Okay, like that.
The chicken strip was really good. The fries were good. The coleslaw was amazing as well. Yeah, out of 10, I'd give it a 8.5 out of 10. Yeah.
So now how was today's vlog, gaming?
It was great, man. It was fun. It was fun. WWE after a long time. Childhood memories are back.
Yeah.
WWE SmackDown versus Raw. Yeah. It was fun, man.
Yeah.
No, because this is going to be like a random ass vlog because
This is the daily vlog.
so this is like fully unscripted, so that's why we are doing all these funny things. So that's all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like
Subscribe.
Right.
And share.
and comment down
And
below.
And even comment.
So
Take
they,
care.
wait. So this is going to be like a daily vlog. We'll be shooting more amazing content. And big thanks to both of you like showing up today,
Yeah.
allowing us to do
Oh,
all the funny
and
things.
thank you, Arun. Thank you, Abhi, for the treat.
Yeah.
Thank you, boys. Thank you for the treat.
But you had only 2 palabras.
Still, bro. No worries.
So that's all. If you enjoyed this video, bye.
See you.